everyone. Today we're doing a review of line plots and linear measurement conversions for a quiz that we're taking today on Friday, May 15th. Today's objective, students will be able to demonstrate their knowledge of Unit 8 by taking an assessment, and your DOL is a Unit 8 quiz. Remember, a quiz is worth more points than a regular assignment, so it's super important that you take your time and try your best. Teacher Model 1. How long is the shortest shoe in Anna's class? So I'm looking at the dot that has the shortest length in inches, and I see that the dot closest to the 5 is the shortest shoe, and it's 5 1/8 inches. Number 2, how long is the longest shoe in Anna's class? So now I'm doing the opposite. I'm looking at the end of our number line. The longest length is 8 1/8 inches. Number 3, most students have shoes of which length? So now I'm looking at the number on our number line with the most dots above it. And that's 6 1/2 inches, has 3 dots above it, which means 3 students have shoes that are 6 1/2 inches. Number 4, how many students are included in Anna's data? And this is my favorite type of question. You just have to count the X's or dots on the number line. So altogether, there are 11 students included in Anna's data. Teacher Model 2. Now we're looking at days, and each X equals 1 box. So how many boxes did he sell on day 8? So I'm going to day 8 on my number line, and I'm counting all of the X's above the number 8, and that's 10. So 10 boxes were sold. Notice I labeled that. Number 2, did he sell more boxes on day 7 or day 2? So I'm looking at day 7 and I'm looking at day 2, and it's very obvious that day 7 has way more boxes sold than day 2. Number 3, did he sell fewer boxes on day 9 or day 6? So I'm looking at day 6 and I'm looking at day 9, and day 9 has a lot less X's or boxes sold on top of the number 9 than the number 6. Number 4, how many days did he sell more than 3 boxes? So I'm starting at number 1, and I see that on day 1 they sold more than 3. I can't count day 2 because they only sold 3. Day 3 has more than 3, day 4 has more than 3, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, and day 10 have more than 3 boxes sold. So altogether, there were 8 days that he sold more than 3 boxes. This is your measurement conversion reference sheet that you will have available with you during the Unit 8 quiz. Teacher Model 3. The sunflower grew to be 5 feet tall. How many inches tall is the sunflower? So I made my bar model, which I can tell a lot of you are not doing because you have a lot of questions about conversions. But if you make this bar model, it's making it a lot easier for you. So I made my 5 feet in a bar model, and I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. I did not guess that. I looked at my conversion chart. So I am going to replace each foot with 12 inches. This model shows 5 groups of 12, and 5 times 12 is 60. Therefore, 5 feet equals 60 inches. The sunflower is 60 inches tall. Teacher Model 4. The distance between Clifton Avenue Grade School and Oak Street School is about 4 kilometers. How many meters is this? I know that there are 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer. So I'm going to replace each kilometer with 1,000 meters. This model shows 4 groups of 1,000. 4 times 1,000 equals 4,000. Therefore, 4 kilometers equals 4,000 meters. There are 4,000 meters between Clifton Avenue and Oak Street School. Your independent work today is to complete your weekly math quiz on line plots and linear measurement conversions. This is a quiz, it's not a regular assignment, so this is really either going to make your grade a lot better or your grade is going to drop depending on how you perform on the assessment. So please take your time, really work things out, get a piece of scratch paper so you can draw your bar models. You have this to use, this reference sheet to use. So please use it. Do not guess because I can't even guess. I still use my reference sheet. I hope you all have a wonderful Friday, and don't forget to complete the Glory Bee quiz as well.